Once again, Samsung has launched a phone that is probably going to be the flagship smartphone for the whole industry. And the Galaxy S9 has done what the S8 has before it and make the screen and the camera the center of this very impressive phone. And I think the phrase that Samsung's using this year sums it up: the camera reimagined. And what they've done this time round is use very clever dual aperture technology that works a little like our pupils. When it's bright, our pupils are smaller. When it's not so bright, our pupils are wider, and that allows for really impressive low light photography. Look at the slickness of how Samsung is presenting their products. Out of the very small compact box comes a device that most people are just going to go ooh and ah when they take a look at. And there it is, the Samsung Galaxy S9. Look at that very impressive, very clear infinity screen. The S9 is an incredibly compact device that packs in a huge amount of processing power. The impressive infinity display is what Samsung used with the S8 to set it apart from all its competitors, and the S9 takes this even further. The S9 has a 5.8-inch screen. The much larger S9 Plus has a 6.2-inch screen, but it is also the impressive camera on the back. The S9 and S9 Plus have dual aperture lenses, and this gives them such impressive low light photography. Samsung has moved the fingerprint reader to underneath the camera. In the front, it maps your face. It uses the sensors in the device to map your face, and this is what is so fantastic for augmented reality applications, especially the animated emoji. The S9 uses Dolby Atmos, which is this exceptionally good surround sound. As well as the Dolby Atmos sound, you get a pair of very, very good AKG headphones. And these are some of the best earbuds that we've tested. Very good quality. They sit very comfortably in your ear. They noise isolating because of the rubber grips, and it gives you very impressive sound. And it's certain that this phone will be in the running once again for Stuff's Phone of the Year.